Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a video to talk about one of the new features of the version 2004, the next version of Windows 10 coming up. This one also has to do with people that have a hard time reading the screen. They might have, visual disabilities, and honestly, as we get older, a lot of us need a little more help. And one of the new features that is introduced in this new version for Windows 10 coming up soon is the ability to have a more visual aspect of your text cursor to find it easily when you are in a text. So go into your Settings app, and or either by the bottom right in the Quick Actions or Start menu, Settings gear. Go into Ease of Access, and you'll see on the left side something called Text Cursor. When you click here, there's a new option here that you can turn on. It says Turn on Text Cursor Indicator. This will help you find where the text cursor is easily. When you turn this on, and you have an example here at the bottom, you can actually choose the size of the text cursor so that you can make it easy to find within a text if you have a hard time finding it and knowing where it is. So this is part of the way of trying to make it easier for you to find wherever a mouse pointer is, or in this case, a text cursor within the text in a web page, or maybe you're writing a text somewhere. You can also have colors associated, so maybe you'll see a better color in a certain way. So by choosing the color, you can actually have this text cursor easier to see also, depending on the color that you will choose for the text cursor. By default, this option is off, but you can actually turn it on. Once it's on, it will actually, on any place where text is prevalent, you'll be able to, of course, check out the text cursor. And of course, there's another option here that's change the text cursor appearance. You can actually choose the thickness of the text cursor also, making this smaller or bigger when you actually choose or start to want to highlight text, for example, and so on. So these options are now available in the next version. So when you get version 2004 in a few weeks, you will have this available to you. The new text cursor indication and size and appearance options, making it easier to find where you are within the text. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.